guys, here I'm back again with a new video.
अरे?
So far every Alight users already knows the pain of Alight Motion lags, which is nothing new to speak about. But throughout my experience with Alight Motion, I tried to find some solutions for a fix on it. In this video I will give you my 5 tips to fix lag on Alight Motion. So let's start. Render your clips. What I mean is that create your project, then add beat marks, and now arrange the clips you want to beats. After this, render the edit without adding any effects and transitions. Why do this? Because this helps to reduce the lag, which might be caused by video encoders. Plus point of this is that it works better on Alight cause it was rendered on Alight. After doing all this, now delete all the imported clips from the project, then add the exported clip. Then just split the clips at beats, done, and now you can add your effects and transitions with very minimal lag. Use more empty groups. Before doing anything with your clip, first add the clip in the empty group, then add transitions and effects. Why do this? Because as far as I know, empty groups treats the layers like its new project tab which only has one clip or more. This also works like pre-compose after you exit the empty group. This does reduce the lag slightly. Avoid using highest quality clips. The reason behind this is Alight Motion works differently on low-end device cause it has to manage the heavy load of processing the process which the low-end device struggles. Instead, you can import a fairly quality clips like for 8OP, 720p. This is recommended if a device is low-end. Keep her RAM and storage free. The major cause of most lags happens because of insufficient storage and RAM. It's good if you keep RAM free, about 2 GB free. As far as for storage, keep at least of 12 GB free. Occasionally clear the cache files from the app. Create a low-resolution project tab. Click plus icon, name the layer. Choose any of this resolution. 560p for 8OP, 360 frame, 30 or 60. You will have less to no lag while editing on this settings. Then after finishing your edit, select all layers, then make a group layer. Then click setting icon to choose a good resolution format, 1080p. After this, click 3 dots, then select stretch to screen. And now export or edit. Don't edit when battery is below 50%, cause the performance will be laggy, and it might also heat up your device. That's all for this video. I hope it helped you. Comment about this tips. Subscribe for more editing tutorials.